think they're ready for this, though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
Feeling my feet first. That's where the power comes from. Kinetic energy. Yeah,
I'm feeling my feet. You don't need no mirror.
Exactly.
All right, homies and homettes, full routine written at the very bottom of the description for the ones that happen to give a fuck. So check it out. We're starting off the workout with some seated cable rows for the hoes. Now, we did 4 sets total. We went heavier each set. On the 4th and final set, we did the stack. And then to boost that intensity, we cut the weight and banged out a drop set to failure. As you see, I'm taking my time setting up because I really want to feel that stretch in my lats. As you see, Barbarianhak is destroying the stack like it's nothing, just banging out those reps. Fun fact about him, he competes naturally, he's plant-based, and he judges shows. So, you know, definitely an interesting brother right here. We had some interesting conversation, and he does other things outside of that, okay? So here he is, hitting that stack, cutting the weight, okay? Like I said, workout was great. We're gonna show y'all the next motion. We did 3 horizontal motions, and then we did 3 vertical motions, okay? This right here is the next horizontal motion. We're over here doing some T-bar rows, and this is chest supported. I like it a lot. You know, this gym, Absolute Recomp, have a lot of nice machines, okay? So here we are doing some one-arm rows. This right here mimics doing a dumbbell row. You know how you do a dumbbell row? You can stand up and kind of lean over on something. This mimics that motion, okay? One-arm rows, unilateral, and we're gonna move on to the vertical-based motions. Like I said, we did 3 horizontal motions and 3 vertical motions, okay? Now this motion right here, to jump off the vertical motions, is this pull, high pull. I like the way the elbows have that 45-degree tuck. Really hits that mid upper back, especially if you stay mentally focused. Okay, we're gonna give you a back view right here, okay? And just like we did with the seated cable rows earlier, to jump this off, we're gonna do a drop set. Okay, so this right here is the final set. Bam, cut the weight immediately and bang out some more. Like I told y'all, we're gonna do 3 horizontal motions and 3 vertical motions, okay? And like I said, our first time hanging out, we did a little bit of reflecting between sets. Like I said, it was great vibes with our brother Barbarianhak, okay? So this right here is the next vertical pull. A wide pull down from the frontal plane. Look how the elbows are like directly out to the sides of the body. I love this angle right here. Look at the mechanics of the machine. Notice how it like butterflies up and butterflies down. It's like very, very impressive engineering. It's nice and smooth. I just like this machine a lot, okay? Barbarianhak talked me into going a little heavier, just like we did that stack earlier. Talked me into stepping it up a little bit on this machine right here. So we pushing it, man. As you see, we got Barbarianhak banging it out as usual, okay? So this right here is the 3rd vertical pull. We're doing reverse grip pull downs. Now this is great for the lats. And we're supersetting this with some straight arm rope pull downs. Let me tell you, this superset right here had the lats on swole, okay? Felt like I was ready for takeoff after the workout. So here we are right here, like I said, supersetting. And we felt pretty good. We were like, why not? Let's go ahead and throw a little bit of biceps at the end. So we did 2 curling motions at the end of this workout, okay? did some straight cable curls. And then after we did our straight cable curls, we went to the dumbbell section and we got on that incline. You'll see in just a moment, okay? Like I said, just 2 bicep motions to get us a nice pump. And we went and got us something to eat. Here we are right here. Incline bench hammer curls. Nice and focused, okay? Really hitting that outer bicep head. About to have a post-workout meal at a vegan restaurant. Keep in mind, Barbarianhak is plant-based. So we're gonna go to a vegan spot. Let's get it. Yeah, so we inside the mall, fam. Okay. And Vegan Vibrations is inside the mall. Yeah, here's Vegan Vibrations. Let's check it out. And what else you got over there? All right, fam. Now this is vegan only, okay? This is crunch wrap with chips and queso. What you got, brother?
All right, so right here we got the double protein. So this is the chicken tenders. We're doing about 45 grams of protein here. High carbohydrates, just in case you guys wanted to know. We got these that were fried in peanut oil. We're gonna wash it down with some agua, like the bros say. That's water for Spanish.
In case y'all happen to give a fuck.
In case y'all happen to give a fuck.
We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.